A good day to all of you. Today's subject is fake integrity versus growth. Is it possible to live a life of fake integrity and yet grow as a person? The answer is no. What is fake integrity? So instead of defining fake integrity, I am going to describe fake integrity. Here are the 5 features. A person who practices fake integrity is a hypocrite. What is hypocrisy? Hypocrisy is you do not practice what you preach. You say something else and you do something just the opposite. Second feature, a person who practices fake integrity lives many lives. Double life, triple life, oh God. They have a personal life, they have a different professional life, they have a different recreational life. They wear different kinds of masks. In front of you they might be very polite, and with somebody else they are totally brutal, cruel. You see, so they live different lives. There is no oneness. Third is people with fake integrity are very cunning and manipulative. They lack wisdom, because the opposite of wisdom is being cunning and manipulative. So people who practice fake integrity, they are very cunning, destructive and manipulative. Fourth is they are very biased, prejudiced. For example, the terrorists who kill people, they are not people of integrity. Why? Because they have vertical thinking, they are prejudiced, they are biased, they cannot see things from different standpoints. So people of fake integrity are very biased and prejudiced. Fifth, and the most important, the intention. People who practice fake integrity, they are driven by greed and lust. Yes, I hit the bullseye. People who practice fake integrity, they are driven by greed and lust. Now talking about growth. See, when I observe people, yes, people do talk about growth, but at a mundane level. Either people are talking about financial growth, physical growth, they go to the gym, want to have a good physique, or they talk about social growth, relationships, getting married, having babies. But what about internal growth? Growth and integrity are inseparable. To explain about this subject, let me give you a very beautiful example. That is, there are 2 kinds of people. People who are in pain and misery, and people who are in suffering. All of us, yes, all of us go through pain and miseries. But what separates people who are in pain and who are in suffering? It is the mindset. People who live a life of suffering, they have a very negative attitude, complaining attitude. They are very unhappy, troublemakers, jealous, envious, because they are driven by greed and lust. So people who are driven by greed and lust, they can never be happy, because they invite such things in their life. You see, they complain, they don't want to improve, they live a life of suffering. On the other hand, people who are in pain and miseries, but those who keep on growing and who live a life of integrity, they are happy people. Integrity doesn't mean you're unhappy. Integrity, yes, it includes sacrifices, but people of integrity, they keep on growing, they're happy. And what is the important part of growth and integrity? It involves learning, reading and improving. Yes, you learn, you keep on reading, you keep on improving. Many a time I ask people, which book are you reading now? Do you know what the answer is? No, I am not reading any book. Oh my God, if you're not reading any book, then how can you grow? How can you be a man of integrity or a woman of integrity? Integrity requires feeding, my dear friends. It is not a one-day effort. It is not winning a World Cup or winning a championship. Integrity is a continuous process. Why do we eat food? We eat food to be healthy. If we do not feed integrity with proper feeding, your integrity will weaken. And one day you might not realize, you start practicing fake integrity instead of true integrity. So what is required? Growth. Growth and integrity are simultaneous. You cannot separate growth and integrity. So if a person has to maintain integrity, he or she has to keep on growing. So learning is a very important process. So my humble suggestion is, at least read few pages of a book every day. Do not allow to pass a single day without reading something. I do that and it is helping me. So these are some humble suggestions to all of you. I want to share my knowledge so that you can get benefits. I have got certain benefits, so that is why I am making this video. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel in YouTube, and thank you so much for giving your time and attention for watching this video. Yes, so the subject was fake integrity versus growth. Fake integrity is entirely different. Growth is entirely different. Growth and integrity go hand in hand. Thank you.